That was funny, right?
It was water, by the way. I can't. Yeah. No.
One eternity later.
So I might have fallen asleep, but it's okay because we are about to get the day started. So we're good. Okay, I got something in the mail. Do you know what this is? Of course you don't. This is a drone. So I ordered a Mavic Mini and I have literally no idea how to fly it. We are gonna figure it out, I guess, by trying to fly it in my apartment, and I'm sure it's going to work out just fine. So this is like the best part of opening packages is you get to like. So this thing is apparently 249 grams, so it's like super light. And I've seen pictures and videos of people holding and flying these things, and they are like literally like the size of like my hand. I'm literally trying my ass off not to fuck up the box. Is there like a way to... I was trying to save the box, but they like make it so this thing's like glued in here. Fucking God, dude. So much for saving the box. Jesus. This is it. It's so small. This is a small Gatorade. You know the these? This is the Mavic Mini. It's like, the Mavic Mini is like smaller than the Gatorade. This is the controller, so I guess these fold out and then this folds out, and then I think your phone, if you have like an iPhone, I think the iPhone goes like here. Make sure to have a knife so you can cut the fucking box open because it's such a pain in the ass. Okay, so we're gonna try and fly the drone now. I think I got it set up right, so we're about to try it, so yeah. Oh, hey. So this up and then down. Oh. It works.
I'm tired of people telling me to relax.
Yes, I crashed the drone. To be fair, I didn't crash it in the apartment, but yes, I did wreck it. But it's totally fine. Like, it's just the blades got a little bit scratched up, but it's cool. But what I'm going to do is I'm gonna call Zach now, my roommate, and I'm gonna see what he says when I say that I crashed the drone in the apartment. I'm gonna say I broke the ceiling fan or something, and let's just see what he says. He's at the beach right now, he's probably hammered, and I think it's gonna be really funny, so let's do it. Hey, buddy. So, I might have flown the drone in the apartment.
Might have flown what?
I might have flown the drone in the apartment.
Oh, did you fuck up the wall?
And I might have broken the ceiling fan.
Oh my god.
Are you mad? Are you mad at me?
Just call maintenance and say, I don't know what happened. You got it on camera?
No, I'm just fucking with you.
Oh.
But I actually did fly the drone in the apartment though. I just didn't break anything.
Hell yeah.
I just wanted to see what you'd say, and you're like, yeah, just call maintenance.
Yeah, no, your fault. You wanna check this place out?
Yeah, sure.
Little bathroom right here. And we got this bedroom over here. It's fucking nice ass view, TV, master bed, walk-in, shower, all that shit. There's some fuck boys over here.
What beer are you on?
Alright, bro, I'll catch you. But the sun is about to go down, so it's golden hour right now. I think it'll be perfect time to go back out there with the drone. And I'm not gonna bring this camera because I don't want to. Well, I'll bring the camera. I don't want to bring the stand though. I'm tired of doing that. So I will be out there in a second, and we'll hopefully get a couple good drone shots for this, just to see how good it looks.
What you want? Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Okay, well, I got it back, but I did lose it like for a minute. So I guess it's pretty cool. Yeah. So we'll see you inside.
Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more content in the future. I am not a drone pilot. This is not a tech channel. And this is also not a photography channel. So I do not know anything about these things other than what I've looked up on YouTube and online and whatnot. But I will say this was very, very easy to fly for someone who has never flown a drone before. If you are interested, I would highly, highly recommend it because the quality is very, very good. It actually turned out pretty cool for just a backyard filming. So yeah, if you want to see more stuff like this in the future, let me know. We've got a lot of stuff planned in the very, very near future coming up. A lot of fast cars, fast bikes, cool stuff, and some traveling will be coming up here very, very soon as well. I'm leaning on this chair, by the way. That's why I'm like slouched down, and I've been doing that the entire time because this table that the camera's sitting on is really low, so I have to, like, you know, get down. If you want to see more, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.